guys, and welcome back to another video. Back out at another dam on the weekend. This time we're at just north of home in Orange at Burrendong Dam. So we're at the Reflections park up here, and yeah, there's a heap of free camping on the foreshores. We've been coming up here for forever in a day, and yeah, the weather was just too good not to take advantage. So yeah, Dad come up earlier this morning. I've just come up after a couple of things I had to do at home. And yeah, it's just a Saturday, and yeah, we're going to put a night up here. Dad's bought the boat, and yeah, we'll do some fishing and a bit of a cook up tonight, and yeah, get another fire in while we can, and yeah, just soak up the sun and enjoy this beautiful weather. So yeah, we'll get to setting the rest of the rig up now. So it is Yellowbelly season. Yeah, it's closed cod season now in these places, so we're just using the smaller type lures, and yeah, we're just going to tow a few behind the boat, do a bit of trawling, and yeah, see how we go. And don't really know what's happening up here, haven't fished up here for years, so see how we go. That's where it was, wasn't it? Up there somewhere?
Yeah, you see,
yeah,
on that point.
Yeah, in like bloody...
Yeah, 1.6 metres or something.
Yeah, big football laying on the ground. That bank's come from the ground. Right, guys, we've the reel's actually shit itself. The drag on the reel went click, and we've got to hand line this fish in, so we're going to cause a bit of a mess here. Just pulling it in by hand. He hit the bloody line real hard. Ooh, so not the best way to be catching a fish, but anyway, we're keeping the pressure on him here. Up he comes. I think it's a fairly decent one because it hit pretty hard. Here comes your line. He's burrowing down a bit.
Yeah, just if he goes, just let him go.
Yeah.
I can see it's big.
Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
It's a footy.
Nice yellow belly.
A footy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to film that. Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice fish. All right, so yeah, like I just said before, the Dad said he had trouble with the drag before, and it felt something go click in that line just then, and it wouldn't wind on. So we're going to retire that rod. But yeah, we pulled him in by hand, and yeah, beautiful fish. So we'll check him out.
Yeah, you had it. Go. Measure.
Yeah. Let's get this line off him. Oh, look at him, fat as fat. Absolute cracker. Look at that for a fish, eh? Beautiful. Cool. I think around 52, roughly. 50.
Yeah.
Righto. Put the big girl back in. There he goes. Beautiful. Okay, so after a bit of commotion there and having to hand reel that one in, that was a bit full on. Anyway, we got it in, got him released, and yeah, we're gonna just poke back down now and go past this same spot here where we hooked up. So see how we go. Well, morning guys. Yeah, we slept in a little bit, but yeah, woke up to an absolute glass out here, and we're back out on the water. Yeah, a bit of a quiet one last night, which was good. These dams they normally get a little bit rowdy, but it was a bit of a quiet one, so we just cooked up a few chips and cheeseburgers, and yeah, stayed up till about 10 o'clock, and then yeah, got a good sleep in, that's for sure. So anyway, we're going to head back up to where we were yesterday, and yeah, try again, see if we can't score another Yellowbelly, and hopefully we'll be able to wind it in on a rod this time. Alright, looks like we're on here again. You want to stop the motor? Oh yeah, he's giving some good head shakes there, look at that.
Yeah. He's not bad.
Yeah, I think he might be alright. Yeah,
Good.
I had to tighten the drag up a couple, so he's burrowing down. Yeah, nice yellow. Oh yeah, nice one, look at that. Just hooked too, he might get off, so doesn't matter if he does. Not as big as yesterday's, but nice little fish. Oh, he just got off too, yeah. Look at that. What a nice little fish. Geez, they're fat, aren't they? Another nice little Yellowbelly. He's not as big as yesterday's, but he fought just as good. Not that we could tell. Yeah, he's about 40. Alright, I think we found a little hot spot here, because that's exactly the same place pretty much as we got the one yesterday. So we're just going to give it a few more goes up here, see how we go. Well guys, back at camp, and yeah, that's about our overnighter fishing trip done. Yeah, thanks for joining us on this one. It's good to get a couple of Yellowbelly in the boat, even though we had to use the hands to pull one in, but yeah, still some good fun there. So anyway, a few more boat trips coming up and caravan trips, so hang around for those, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Alright, back from a bit of fishing, but I thought I'd just show you this. We've had a heap of rain through the week, and a lot of good inflows coming into Burrendong Dam. Now I put this rod holder here, just out of the water a little bit, right on the edge, and yeah, just overnight it's come up, and it's yeah, about halfway up over the rod holder. So there is definitely a lot of water coming in, but yeah, it made it a little bit hard to fish and stuff, but we got a couple, so it was good.